According to the complaint, Twitter argues that the Tesla and SpaceX CEO apparently believed he, unlike every other party subject to contract law, was free to change his mind, trash the company, disrupt its operation, destroy stockholder value, and walk away. Musk's lawyers said Friday that he was terminating the deal because Twitter violated the agreement by failing to account accurately for the number of spam accounts on the platform, something Twitter rejects. Some analysts have described the deal as a soap opera from the start.
The chaos started Friday night because this has been a circus show since April, and Musk terminating the deal in the 13D filing, even though it was viewed that he could potentially get cold feet and ultimately walk away. The fact that he ripped the Band-Aid off Friday night was a shocker to the street. I think it was a shock to Twitter. And now they sharpen their knives going to the Delaware court.
Twitter's lawsuit accuses Musk of numerous violations of the merger agreement and cites his reasons for walking away, which include claims the social media company fired top executives and about one-third of the talent acquisition team as a pretext that lacked merit.
There's no winners in terms of Musk or Twitter. I mean, just to be clear, everyone's a loser in terms of how this ultimately played out. Reputation-wise, there's not a clear winner. I think to some extent they're both losers regardless of how it all plays out. But the next step would be formally suing Musk in court in terms of Delaware court. Obviously, Twitter's getting their legal team together. Musk has theirs. And then this is going to play out. Protracted, long battle in court that will take many months, potentially, well into 2023.
He also believes that Twitter has the stronger case to make before the Chancery Court, a specialized forum that handles business disputes.
In terms of who has the edge, I think consensus view is that ultimately it's probably Twitter that has the edge legally going into the Delaware courts. But that's something that is going to have to play out. I mean, Musk obviously will focus on the information related to the fake account bot issue. And for Musk, it's not just a breakup fee. It's punitive damages. It's also time. It's a distraction. It's at a time that investors need Musk laser focused on Tesla. It's such an important time of supply chain.
Twitter filing their lawsuit on a day SpaceX's latest Starship booster test experienced an explosion at their Starbase facility in Texas, and while Musk is engaged in a social media spat with former President Donald Trump. In short, Elon Musk has a lot on his plate and is the center of a lot of high-stakes back and forth on a variety of topics. But it's this Twitter lawsuit that could set up one of the biggest showdowns involving one of the world's most recognizable and outspoken billionaire entrepreneurs and a social media company that has permeated the lives of hundreds of millions around the globe. And its first salvo in the lawsuit is that Musk is pulling out of the deal he signed in April because it no longer serves his personal interests. Sherwin Bryce, SABC News, New York.